from Gokhale Education Societies, again in front of you for continuing our yesterday's topic on cyber security. Now we are very well familiar with the meaning or term cyber security, why we need cyber security, why it is important, and now today we'll focus on types of cyber attacks and types of cyber crime. See, here we enlist the types of cyber crime, that is hacking, phishing, DOS, spam email, spyware, malware, ATM scheming, ransomware. So we'll see one by one. So first one is hacking. Basically, hacking is a simple term. It means what? An illegal intrusion into a computer system or a network. It is also known as cracking. Government websites are the hot targets of the hackers due to the press coverage it receives. So, what does it means? Hacking is a illegal intrusion into a computer system or a network. Second one is phishing. Phishing means it is basically a fraud attempt, and it is usually done by through email or to steal your personal information. What is the agenda of phishing? It is used to obtain sensitive information such as username, password, credit card details, malicious reason through an electronic communication. Means the soft target of phishing is your email and email information. Next is how phishing works. Basically, send out lots of or thousands of phishing emails with a link to fake websites and try to make victims by clicking on the link present or given in email, believing it is a legitimate. They are enter personal information, then fraud people compile the stolen data and sell it online or use it themselves. Again try to forward for completing the cycle, that is fraud people then build one fake site, and from this website again send thousands of mail, and such a type of mail contains some links which required your personal information. This is how the phishing works. म्हणूनच मित्रांनो, आपल्याला आलेल्या सगळ्या लिंक्स ईमेल थ्रू किंवा ईमेल व्यतिरिक्त याच्यावर माहिती नसताना क्लिक करून आपली कुठलीही पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन द्यायची नसते. इट इज अ टाईप ऑफ अटॅक और इट इज अ टाईप ऑफ सायबर क्राईम. Next is your DOS, that is denial of service. This is act by criminals who floods the bandwidth of the victim's network. In the DOS attack, a hacker uses a single internet connection to either exploit or a software vulnerability or flood a target with fake request, usually in an attempt to exhaust server sources. DOS acts when a single host attacks, and DDoS acts when a multiple hosts attack simultaneously and continuously. See, this is what the working of DDoS. The root node is your attacker. Under the root node there is a master systems, and under master system some slave systems are work and try to target or catch one system as a victim. This is what the hierarchical structure of your DDoS attack. नेक्स्ट इज स्पॅम मेल. या सगळ्याशी आपण अगदीच व्यवस्थित फॅमिलियर आहोत, कारण आपल्या ईमेल अकाउंटमध्ये किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल अकाउंटमध्ये काही ईमेल्स ॲज अ स्पॅम मेल्स असतात. मीन्स व्हॉट? इट इज an electronic version of junk mail. It involves sending unwanted messages, often for or in the form of advertising, to a large number of recipients. It is a serious security concern as it can be used to deliver Trojan horses, viruses, worms, spyware, and targeted phishing attacks. And this is what the filtering process of your spam mail. Mail server is there, emails are there, sender analysis, content review, and email routing. In the process of email routing, just sending and receiving is performed. But in the case of content reviewing, quarantine is possible. Means at that time the people try to catch or try to hack your personal information or the information content into your email. Then in the process of sender analysis, sometimes blocked email will happen and so on. आणि हे सगळं जर नाही झालं आणि शेवटी ईमेल आपल्याला आला, तर तो ईमेल जंक बॉक्समध्ये जाऊन ॲज अ स्पॅम मेल ॲक्ट करत असतो. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट वन इज malware. As its name indicates, the word malware comes from the term malicious software. Malware is any software that infects and damage a computer system without the owner's knowledge or permission. See, all these are malwares: viruses, trojans, rootkits, worms, spyware, crimeware, adware. In short, malware means what? It is a malicious software. How to stop malwares? By downloading anti-malware program that also helps prevent infections, or active your network threat protection like firewall and antiviruses. Next type is Trojan horses. Trojan horses are the email viruses that can duplicate themselves. ते स्वतःचीच रिप्लिका बनवत असतात and try to harm the computer system directly. And once we click on that replica or duplicate of that particular Trojan horse, then directly our computer system will get harmed. These viruses are the most serious threat to the computer. How to prevent this or how to avoid Trojans? Security suits such as Avast Internet Security will prevent you from downloading Trojan horses. They continuously blinking or intimate you, no, such a type of file will get harmful to your system and so on. Next is types of cyber attacks. Basically there are two types of cyber attacks. First one is web based attack and second one is system based attacks. Till now we'll see system based attacks like Trojan horses, viruses, worms, DOS and so on. Now we focused on web-based attacks. Before that, we'll see what does it mean, cyber attack. It is an illegal attempt to gain something from computer system. Basically, it is an illegal attempt. Always wanted to try or always wanted to gain the something from computer system. First one type is web-based attack. It is related to your website or web applications. We'll see one by one. First one is injection attacks. In this type, basically some data will be injected into a web applications to manipulate the application or get the required information. एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर वेब ॲप्लिकेशनमधून किंवा वेबसाईटमधून रिक्वायर्ड डेटा कॅच करायचा, अदरवाईज मेक सम मॉडिफिकेशन्स इन टू दॅट. त्याची जी फंक्शनॅलिटी आहे प्रोव्हाइड केलेली, ट्राय टू मेक चेंजेस इन टू दॅट. दिस इज वॉट द वर्क ऑफ इंजेक्शन अटॅक. For example, SQL injection, code injection, log injection and XML. How SQL injection works? Basically, SQL is based on your query execution. So, provide some illegal queries or provide some illegal string. Injection attacks, SQL injection attacks will work. Next is file inclusion attack. The file are in the form of local files or remote files. A file inclusion vulnerability allows an attacker to access unauthorized or sensitive files available on the web server or to execute malicious files on the web server by making use of include functionality. Local file inclusion includes local file available on the server, and remote file inclusion includes and executes malicious code on a remotely hosted file. Next is XSS, that is cross-site scripting. This can be done by editing JavaScript in a web page such that it will executed in client browser, and it can be classified into reflected XSS, stored XSS and DOM-based XSS. Another type is DNS spoofing. This is also very well popular. DNS spoofing is a computer hacking attack basically, whereby data is introduced into DNS resolver's cache, causing the name server to return an incorrect IP address, diverting traffic to the attacker's computer. It is directly attack on system and try to divert that particular system. Next is DOS. As I know, DOS is an attempt to make a server or a network resource unavailable to users. This is generally done by flooding the server with communication request, and most important thing is that DOS uses single system and single internet connection to attack a server. DOS can be classified into volume based attack, protocol attack and application layer attack. Now next and very important attack is man in middle attack. It is a popular web-based attack. In this, attacker intercepts the connection between client and server and act as a bridge between them. Attacker will able to read, insert and modify the data in the intercepted communication. What is the main aim of man in middle attack? First of all, it build the connection between the server and the client and act as a bridge. मीन्स जी पण काही इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंड आणि रिसीव होते आहे ती इन्फॉर्मेशन काय करायची, ट्राय टू रीड, ट्राय टू कॅच or try to insert some extra data into that or try to make modification into that. This is very harmful. तुमचं ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट ओरिजिनल राहता, त्याच्यात मॉडिफिकेशन्स केलेले तुम्हाला ॲट द एंड मिळतात इन केस ऑफ मॅन इन मिडल अटॅक. नेक्स्ट इज फिशिंग. Phishing is the attempt to acquire sensitive information, often for malicious reason, by act as a trustworthy entity in an electronic communication. There are two types of phishing: spear phishing and welling. See, what is the aim of phishing? Try to acquire the sensitive information for the malicious reason. That's why this one is also very dangerous for the web. And our next topic is system based attack. As I told earlier, it contains viruses, worms, sniffing, spoofing and some of cyber crime types, as we seen in the cyber crime. Hope all of you now very well familiar with the types of cyber security attacks and types of cyber crimes. Now in tomorrow's lecture we'll continue the safety tips for cyber security and advantages of